Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor. Today, we're going to be going through a shit ton of house updates. So this video has been like over the span of like maybe 2 or 3 months now because things have been going a little slowly, but that's all right. So yes, when we cut to the first scene, I do have blue hair. That's how long ago it was. So anyways, aside from that, I just wanted to let you guys know that there is a lot going on. And yeah, enjoy this video. I hope you stick around till the end and yeah, enjoy everything that has happened in my house since like December or January. Hello and welcome back to more house updates. I'm painting some trim downstairs because I have a table uncovered because I uncovered it. And yeah, so I'm gonna flip the camera and show you that real quick. So this is what I'm working with. Hopefully my furnace does not kick on again. I painted these ones last night. These ones are so long. They're kind of blocking the door, but that's okay. And here we go, furnace. I think you're gonna click on. Ah, yes. A tale as old as time. Me struggling to open the paint can. Just kidding. But it seems like most of this video is me painting stuff. I actually had to delete some footage of me painting things because it is a little redundant. I don't think we need to see this in all the different angles that I have, but regardless, this is me painting all of the trim that was needed for the upstairs to get the trim done, the baseboards and the ceiling trim as well. I did need all of this pre-painted before the guy came to install all of the trim, just because the guy who did the kitchen had this guy come and do the trim. He was just going to do all the upstairs trim because it needed to get done anyways. So we wanted it all painted so we didn't have to worry about painting it when it was up on the walls after everything's already done and painted. So we figured this was the easiest option, and that is exactly what I did. I did a nice thick coat of it like 3 times. Welcome back to more house updates. My hair's very messy. But we started wiring our Ethernet cables yesterday, and I can see my mailman. Hopefully he doesn't see me. Oh god, my nose. But anyways, I'll show you that. Right now our basement's like a little work area, but those are our Ethernet cables. They're gonna get run through that hole up there and then go under our crawl space. Because those are going directly from the room. We wanted to originally drill the hole and do this a different way, but it didn't work out that way, and that's fine. Here's all the trim I've been working on painting on. But yeah, this is kind of the state of this room right now. Wires and things needing paint. And then the mailman. Later on in the week, we did in fact get the ceiling trim done, as well as the baseboards, and here Peter is just caulking the edges while I was watching a National Geographic movie. As well as that, we picked out our kitchen handles finally. We actually decided to get longer ones for the longer, wider cabinets that we have that have pull drawers, which I don't remember if I have footage of this or not, but I will eventually be showing footage of it when they do get installed. As well as that, we discovered that we actually have peony bushes on the side of our house. Obviously, this is, you know, a nice before shot of what the house looks like, just because towards the end of the video, there is another pretty drastic house update that got done. I didn't really have much footage of me staking my peony bushes just because it kept going out of focus due to the grass. But that's all right. My peony bushes are huge, and they look like they're about almost ready to bloom. Basically, ants eat the like nectar-y shit off the top of it, and it actually forces the plant to bloom. Without the ants eating it, the flowers would not bloom. And staking it also helps promote them from not getting too top heavy and knocking over. So this is what they look like beforehand, and this is what they look like after. And now 2 weeks later, it's much larger. Hello and welcome back. This is a house update. Hopefully I actually edited this all. We are planning on repainting our house and have some colors picked out, and people today are coming to power wash the house to do so. So I'm going to show you our paint swatches and then tell you which one we're going with. Here are the swatches. When I initially painted them, these two right here looked super bright, these two. Thankfully, though, they're not. But we're actually going to go with this color over here, the darker muted navy blue, just because our roof is like a reddish color, and we don't want it to look kind of like a fun house, so we're going with the darker color. And it kind of is gonna match those. That's kind of funny. But that's the color we're going with. I am just kind of waiting for the people to come to start to power wash the house, and I believe that they're starting to paint on Monday, so that'll be good. So totally not a house update, but can we just talk about the roots here? So I clearly need to repot this, but like, damn, I literally just put you guys in there last week with nothing, fresh cuttings, and now roots. Craziness. In other plant news, completely unrelated to the house, one new leaf is opening up. 2 new leaves is opening up. Very nice. I've had this plant for a little bit, and this is like its, I think, 5th and 6th leaf it's put out for me. A little peperomia. My elephant bush is growing taller. My Nanoke, I think, is actually starting to stand up a little bit because she was a little lopsided and definitely has some new growth points inside the leaves. My pothos is doing her best. She almost died this year. My rubber tree, this new leaf is fully hardened finally, and new growth already. My jade is chilling, so is my philodendron Brazil. My string of pearls almost was under gnat attacks. I think it might be a little too crispy out here for her. I'm not 100% positive if this is a good spot for her or not yet. And then, of course, my croton that everyone thinks, like, or everyone, like, apparently has problems with these plants. There's a point where I had a few leaves fall off, but ever since I started, like, misting her and putting her outside here in the sun porch, she's been surviving. So, it's my plant news. And my palm, I think, is getting huge, too, which I'm pretty excited about. Can't wait for that. I am parked in my grass because the power washers are here. It sounds crazy, and I don't really want to film them, but I kind of do. There's one watching, I think. Oh, how nice of them. They moved my plants for me. Sorry, I forgot those were out there. Truck, my car, you guys, over on this side, power washing. I think my neighbors are gonna be shook. Y'all. So for some reason the audio cuts here, but basically they power washed my entire house to prep to spray the color onto the house in the next few days. Hey guys, and welcome to my car. Long time no see. My house is getting painted right now, or it was being painted, and now I'm leaving work to finally go see it, / go home for the day. And I think only the sides and the back were done, and all that's left is the front of the house. So I'm really excited to see what it looks like. So let's go home and see what this shit looks like. See you at the house. House color reveal. It looks so good. Like literally so good. They even did this side, but part of the house is still green, and I'll show you those parts now. So here you can see the color. There's some nicks and dents and whatnot on the paneling. Our siding is aluminum, and here's the before color. Yeah, I can't wait for this to be done. Oh, it looks so good. All right, so we're currently outside because I wanted to show the house in the daylight, but the sun is behind the house, so it may not look weird. I also live on a busy street, so I apologize for all the cars that you're hearing in the background. But without further ado, yeah, she's pretty. I definitely think I want to frame the windows and stuff in black maybe, but it's perfect. And that's all the house updates that I have for you guys. I'm really happy with everything that has happened so far in this house. A lot of things were a little unexpected to happen quicker, or when they did. And like, for example, getting my house painted, I thought that was something that was gonna happen in September, and it happened because the guy was able to squeeze us in like 2 or 3 days. So I'm very thankful for a lot of things I was able to get done in my house. And hopefully with my next house update video, almost everything will be at least touched, per se, meaning as in like really the only thing that's left is the outside of the house and the bathroom. And the bathroom is definitely going to be a project I want to do with Mark, so it'll be interesting to see how we even do that. So without further ado, I will end off this video. Thank you so much for 157 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning into my videos. I know uploading has been a little bit bare, but yeah, I get forgetful. That's really all it is. So anyways, I guess with that, I will see you all in my next one, and hopefully it's within a week, because I have like 3 videos I'm currently editing right now, and that's my problem is I lose footage, and then I'm like, shit, I can't post that because I'm losing a very important piece of information. So yeah, I'll stop babbling, and I'll see you all in my next video. All right, bye.